Is Master Resell Rights a scam? That's exactly what I Googled when I first heard about it. And if you're watching this video, you probably Googled the same thing. I'm Deb, I'm 55 years old, and about 4 months ago, I came across a YouTube video from a woman called Wendy. Her thumbnail said, over 50, easy side hustle, $38,500 per month. Now, I've been burnt before by online opportunities. In fact, I once bought a program that literally taught me to use fake testimonials. So believe me, I was not about to jump into something without doing my homework first. But here's what happened. I researched Master Resell Rights for an entire week. Then I invested $900. So is it a scam? Let me tell you exactly what I found. I'm going to share my honest research process, what made me decide to invest, and what I've learned after nearly 4 months of building this business. And I'm going to be completely honest with you yet. I haven't made a single sale, but I'm going to tell you why I'm still 100% confident this is legitimate. So let's dive in. First, let's define what we're actually talking about, because the word scam gets thrown around a lot. Here's how I define a scam. A scam is when someone takes your money and either gives you nothing of value or promises to teach you something, but doesn't actually give you the information you need to succeed. So is Master Resell Rights a scam by that definition? No. And here's why. With Master Resell Rights, you get a real digital product, courses, training, resources, the legal right to resell that product and keep 100% of the profit, complete training on how to set up and market your business, all the tools you need, sales pages, email sequences, checkout systems, all done for you, and support from a community. Now, does that guarantee you'll succeed? No, it doesn't. But it's not a scam. You're getting real value for your money. The question isn't, is it a scam? The real question is this a legitimate business opportunity that I can actually succeed with? And that's what we're going to look at. Before we go any further, if you're researching Master Resell Rights and want to understand the complete business model, I've created the Freedom Formula Blueprint that breaks down exactly how this works, what you need to get started, and realistic income expectations. The link is in the description below. It's completely free. Grab it now and then come back to this video. Okay, let's talk about my research process. When I first saw Wendy's video, I admit I was intrigued. I'm 55, still working, and I'm terrified about retirement. So a video promising $38,500 a month for people over 50 definitely got my attention. But I've been down that road before. I've tried affiliate marketing. I've tried network marketing. I've tried drop servicing. I even tried Amazon KDP. And most of them either didn't work, cost too much in advertising, or were way more complicated than promised. So when I heard about Master Resell Rights, I was curious but cautious. Here's what I did during my week of research. I Googled, is Master Resell Rights a scam? I watched review videos, I checked review sites, and I emailed Wendy, a successful MRR entrepreneur, directly with my concerns. I asked her if a beginner like me could actually do this. She was honest. She said it takes work, there's no quick money, but yes, people like me are succeeding. That honesty mattered. And here's the thing that really convinced me. I'd been burnt before by programs that taught fake testimonials, but I was skeptical about every success story I saw. So with this program, I watched video testimonials, real people, real faces, real stories, not just text on a sales page, actual people showing their results. That's when I started to think this might be real. But the moment that really made it click for me was when I watched a training video by the founder of the program that I eventually joined. This training video explained 3 things that made it so clear for me. Number 1, you're buying a license to resell, just like licensing a song or a photo. This isn't MLM. It isn't a pyramid. You're purchasing legal rights to a digital product. Number 2, 100% profit makes sense because digital products have no manufacturing, inventory, or shipping costs. Once the product is created, it costs almost nothing to deliver. That's why you keep 100% of the profit. And number 3, the creator wants you to resell because it spreads their reach to audiences they can't reach. I can reach people over 50 who relate to my story. Someone else can reach moms. Someone else can reach travelers. We're all selling the same product, but to different audiences. Suddenly it made sense. This isn't a pyramid, it's a licensing model. If this is starting to make sense, but you want to see the complete breakdown of how this business model works, how you actually make money, what's included, realistic timelines, make sure you download the Freedom Formula Blueprint. The link is in the description below. It's free and it will answer a lot of your questions that you still have. Now let me address the elephant in the room. I launched my Master Resell Rights business on the 5th of October 2025. That's nearly 4 months ago, and I haven't made a single sale yet. So you probably think, yeah, if you haven't made money, why are you telling me this isn't a scam? And that would be a fair question. Let me explain. I invested $900 in a program that gives me the rights to sell 4 different digital products at price points between $100 and $900. The program comes with all the training, done for you sales pages, email sequences, a complete checkout system. It offers weekly coaching and tech support calls, and access to a community of over 58,000 people. I've completed the setup just like Wendy said I could, so why haven't I made a sale yet? And here's my honest assessment. I chose to market my business only through YouTube. No ads, not using social media, completely organic, free traffic. And here's the thing, I'd never created a video before in my life. This video you're watching, this is my 15th video. I'm still learning. I'm getting better with each video. I'm building an audience from zero. Wish I had made a sale? Of course I do. But am I worried? No. Here's why I'm 100% confident. In our community of over 58,000 people, I see real people sharing real results every day. Not just testimonials on a sales page, actual people posting screenshots of their bank deposits. Wendy herself posted 5 days ago that she's making $72,000 a month. Pierre just made $1,800 and he's brand new. Christina made $6,000 in 5 days as a stay-at-home mom. And Mindy is now a 6-figure earner. And here's what I've learned. Everyone's progress is different. Your skill level, your motivation, your time availability, the platform you choose. Some people make a sale in their first week. Some people, it may take 6 months. But the people who stick with it, they are the ones that succeed. So have I made money yet? No. Is this a scam? Also no. It's a real business. And like any real business, it takes time, effort, and learning. Let me put this into perspective. I've tried affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop servicing, Amazon KDP, PDFs. None of them worked for me. MRR is different. 100% profit instead of commissions. No recruiting required. Everything done for you. And most importantly, organic traffic, which means no paid ads. And that got my attention. No expensive Facebook ads that ate my budget. When I discovered MRR, it was like a breath of fresh air. No product creation, no website building, no ad spend. Just create content and share my story. Now, I want to be clear, not all Master Resell Rights are created equal. And this is important. There are scammy programs out there. Watch out for these red flags. Red flag number 1, programs promising quit your job in 30 days. I'd be wary. This is a real business that takes work. Red flag number 2, hidden monthly fees after you buy. The program I joined has no monthly fees. You pay once and you own the rights forever. Red flag number 3, programs that won't show you what's included before you buy. Legitimate programs are transparent. And red flag number 4, programs that focus on recruiting instead of selling. That's MLM disguised as MRR. Avoid these and you'll avoid the scams. Now, you might ask what my biggest concern is right now. It's this: will I actually make a sale? I've done the work, I've showed up consistently, but there's still that voice asking, what if nobody buys? And here's what I tell myself. Wendy, she made her first sale. Pierre made his. They're no more talented than me. They just kept going. And that's what I'm doing. And I believe my first sale will come. So, is Master Resell Rights a scam? No, it's not. It's a legitimate business model where you purchase the license to resell digital products and keep 100% of the profit. You get real products, you get real training, you get real support, you get real tools. Is it easy? No, it's a real business and real businesses take work. Will you definitely succeed? No, that depends on you, your effort, your consistency, your willingness to learn. Are there scammy programs out there that use the MRR name? Yes. Watch for those red flags I mentioned earlier. But the core business model, it's legitimate. I'm 55 years old. I've been burnt before. I've tried other opportunities that didn't work. And I'm telling you this is different. I haven't made money yet, but I've done my research. I've verified the testimonials. I've seen the proof. And I'm 100% certain that if I just keep showing up and putting in the work, this will work for me. If you want to learn more about Master Resell Rights and how it actually works, the complete business model and what's included, realistic expectations, grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It breaks down everything step by step. No cost, no obligation, just honest information to help you make an informed decision. The link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm documenting my entire journey, the struggles, the wins, the lessons I'm learning, and I'd love to have you following along. Now that you know about Master Resell Rights, you might be wondering about marketing your online business for free. But how do you do that? It all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair that with what you've just learned in this video, it's way more powerful. I'm Deb. I'm 55 and I'm building my retirement security one video at a time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.